How to convert Facebook account to page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, you can't just simply turn an account to a page. Account is an account and a page is a page. However, with the new feature that Facebook has provided, you can give your account most of the features that a page has, meaning that people can follow you and you can do whatever you can do on a page in your regular account. So let's go ahead and see how it can be done. Open Facebook and navigate to your profile page. And once you are here, as you can see, this is just a regular account. You need to click on these three dots right here, midway screen on the right. Click on them and you will be brought to this page right here, in which you will see there's an option at the bottom that says turn on professional mode. So go ahead and click on it, and essentially uh, Facebook here will tell you what this professional mode will allow you to do on your regular account. As you can see, get paid for your content, see content insight, let more people follow you, etc. So basically your account will be a page like. Click on turn on. You can even learn more by clicking on that button, and here you will be redirected to this page right here, in which you will need to finish setting up your profile. So you can do that. I'm just going to skip this step, and once I go back to my profile, you can see that my profile has been changed. It says here that the profile has some new features. As you can see, advertise, dashboard, etc. So let's go through them. As you can see, the performance and stuff like that, the ad center monetization, the moderation assistant, and also it has the advertisement right here. So basically your Facebook account will be like a page, and you can use it like a page normally, plus as a regular account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can convert a Facebook profile to a page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.